Yeah, so this is our prefrontal cortex, which when we practice mindfulness or meditation, can perceive these signals from our deep brain or our limbic system, and then modify our response to that, or be a loving, attuned, mirroring presence to the emotion that is arrives here. So this is, I mean, this is all very simplified, but our gray matter are more of our cognitive functions that we have some conscious awareness of. That's not completely true, but our deep brain, this is our more primitive brain, and this is our even more primitive brainstem. But the amygdala and the hippocampus and the hypothalamus and the insula, these structures here, but particularly this little red thing right here, which is, I don't know if you can see me, it's kind of in from our temples. We have one on each side, our our amygdala, amygdalae, what the plural is. This is where the cells in here have been named fear neurons and safety neurons. And what happens, they get conditioned in our early development, and the information that's coming up from the body, the physical and internal experience, um, it has a learned uh, reflex that develops in the amygdala. So we might experience like hearing footsteps or sensing the presence of another. If that other is a threat to our well-being, then those kind of sounds in our amygdala become conditioned in a fear neuron. Like then there's just this reflexive, I hear a footstep and my body tenses up. Someone that had an experience of connection and warmth with that same stimulus, oh, good, mom's coming, she's going to feed me, or whatever it is. I mean, there wouldn't be language at that early time. Then those sounds are a safety neuron, and they have a totally different physiology that then cascades through our system in response to that sound or physical experience. Does that make sense? Any questions here? The good news is these neurons, and that's what this research paper was about, um, can be reconditioned. So I'm trying to remember what they used. If it was a sound, it might have been like a buzzer or something that they used that these animals had been conditioned into, like they had some kind of noxious experience when that buzzer happened. And so they had these, like a fear response would happen in them when they heard this. But when they were with a bonded other, or in our case, an attuned other. And the good news is this can be us if we learn to feel the fear and turn toward it with compassion. I feel you. Oh, you're scared. I'm right here. Oh, I get the sense, like stay with that felt experience. We come down instead of thinking, oh no, what's happening? What did I do? What do I have to do different? So often we go up into more thought, but what changes these neurons and our experience is this turning toward and creating safe, attuned connection with our felt experience. That's very simplified, but it's a little bit about our deep brain and